In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade futures directly on TradingView. So the first thing you want to do is go to tradingview.com and then sign in with your account. And once you've done this, you want to go to products, so hover over there and click on Super Charts. Now from here, of course, you will go to your charts, and what you want to do is hit trading panel down below over here, and once you click that, you'll be able to connect through their trusted brokers. Now over here is where you can actually integrate with different brokers and then start trading futures directly on TradingView. And over here, you can go to full screen to see all of them, and if you click all brokers, you'll be able to see a lot of them. Now, I know for a fact that many people use Trade08 or maybe Iron Beam over here, but you can of course use whichever one you want or prefer, because yeah, of course, everything is going to work over here because they are connected and they are trusted within each other. So if you decide to, for example, go with Iron Beam, you can just click on that. And over here, you'll have to select if you want to use the live or demo account, and then put in your Iron Beam username and password, and then just connect. And after this, you'll be able to just minimize this, and automatically you'll be able to start trading futures directly on TradingView. And as I said, this works for pretty much any broker over here. In case you're not sure how to do it, make sure you go to the broker's website or just email them, ask them how to integrate and whether that's possible. And if it's possible, they'll let you know. They'll let you know how to do it directly on TradingView, and you're set to go. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.